guys come up with the title Bewakoofiya? We didn't
Ananj
come
Gupta.
up.
Yeah, that's Ananj Gupta.
Ananj
Yeah.
Gupta. Okay, so basically there is it was already floating around while we signed the film, and then there's a song called Bewakoofiya in the film, and that's how the title came about.
Yes.
What kind of role are you playing in the movie?
Pankaj Thakur.
Okay, so
Go for it.
he is Mohit Chadha, I am Myra, and you say stuff first.
Mohit Chadda is a guy who works in an airline company, works in a corporate sector, has got affected by recession, is jobless, madly in love with Myra Sehgal.
And Myra Sehgal is a banker on Yes Bank. She loves finance, and she loves her husband, to-be husband, and she loves her dad.
How is Ayushmann Khurrana similar to Mohit Chadda? Ayushmann Khurrana is just like Mohit Chadda. Ayushmann Khurrana is also jobless right now क्योंकि अभी हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, वेले बैठे हुए हैं. And Mohit Chadda is just like Ayushmann because he's an urban Punjabi guy, just like me, who loves his girl.
Did you guys play any pranks on each other during the shoot?
No, yeah, we are not pranksters at all.
Pranksters?
Pranksters बोल लेते हैं.
Pranksters बोल लेते हैं.
Pranksters नहीं हैं हम.
Pranksters.
I think this is a very cliched question यार. कौन pranks करता है आजकल एक दूसरे से?
पता
लेकिन
नहीं
हाँ,
कौन करता है।
ये लड़कियाँ मुझे bully करती थी कई बार.
हाँ?
नहीं करती थी. To pamper me a lot. I'm just kidding. सोनम, DOP हमारी, नेहा, डायरेक्टर, नूपुर, एडिटर तो सेट पे आती नहीं थी. विदुषी, मतलब there were so many girls on the set.
Yeah,
I was
Vidushi is the
pampered.
AC. How do you know if a girl in your life is good? I mean, I don't have a girl in my life, but Ayushmann, you can answer that question.
Good wife material. She should not be materialistic. She should just love you for the way you are. Love, attention, and time.
Yeah,
Three
you
things.
remember.
I remember for life. So उन्होंने कल 3 चीजें बताई थी. ये आपको अगर वो चाहती है सिर्फ ये 3, then she's going to be a perfect wife for you.
I agree with you.
Hi Ayushmann, how was it working with Rishi Kapoor? Amazing. Rishi Kapoor is a perfectionist. He just gives one take और एक perfect take में वो सब कुछ सही कर देते हैं. So I had to be doubly prepared. I had to prepare myself very well before going on the set. And of course, initially I was nervous, but he made me a one-take artist. Thank you, Rishi sir. Anuraga, Ayushmann, are you singing in this movie? Yes, Anuraga, I am singing in this movie. The name of the song is Khama Kha. It's written by Habib Faisal and it's composed by Raghu Dixit. I've sung the song with Neeti Mohan. Hi, please sing a song for Sonam now. खामखा जोड़ तोड़ करे, खामखा पाई पाई पे मरे, खामखा क्यों करे तू परे, खामखा क्यों प्यार से डरे, हर स्टोरी की तू मेरी हीरोइन है, हर स्टोरी की तू मेरी हैप्पी एंडिंग है.
How sweet.
Puneet Goyal, Ayushmann, who is better actress, Yami or Sonam? Sonam is a better actress.
Ayush?
Yami is also very good, of
But she's a
course.
really good actress. I
Of
like
course,
Yami Gupta.
both are really good. In fact, Sonam is
I've just done more films.
more
than-
experienced
Yeah,
as an
that's all,
actor,
that's all.
and she's.
I really
awesome.
like Yami Gupta.
Yami Gautam.
Gautam. Same thing, right? Would you like to work with your director again, and what is the best part about her? Of course, we would like to work with a director again. I think I speak for both of us, and I think she's an amazing director, and she has a lot of skida to get the things right. But that's the most awesome thing about her.
And she's a girl, she's a great multitasker, and she gives that extra emotion in the script.
What Bewakoofiya did you do on the set of the film with Ayush?
Abhishek Jain का क्वेश्चन है.
हमने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें की. According to Ayush, I can't drive. I drive very well, by the way.
Listen, Sonam
Have you not seen Players?
सोनम को सिर्फ ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी चलानी आती है, फिर में इनको मैनुअल चलानी पड़ी गलती से. और सोनम थोड़ी स्क्रैची इफ़ी थी ड्राइव करते हुए. और दिल्ली के हाईवे पे हम शूट कर रहे थे और वहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ जुम जुम चल रही थी और लोग सोच रहे थे कौन है ड्राइवर. जैसे देखा ओ सोनम को तो आपको तो अलाउड है. सोनम, इज गुड टू बी बेवकूफ इन रियल लाइफ एंड यू लुक सो डिवाइन टुडे. अनुरागा.
Hi, Anuraga. It is amazingly smart to be a bewakoof because if you do things without thinking and you just feel and do things, and you might think they're stupid, but actually the end results are the most awesome. So do everything with your heart and emotion.
Ashish Anand says, how is it working under YRF, both of you?
Amazing. They're an amazing production company.
यार तो पूछने वाली बात है यार.
अरे he is YRF only यार.
नहीं, मैं YRF नहीं, मतलब 3 फिल्में कर रहा हूँ उनके साथ.
हाँ, correct.
हाँ.
Sonam, what was the inspiration behind your character? It was written by Habib Faisal, but I think my inspiration was Nupur Asthana's sister, who's a banker as well. What is the one thing that annoys you the most about Ayushmann, or what is the one thing that annoys you the most about me? Someone asked. The one thing that can I say first?
Yeah,
the one thing
yeah.
that annoys me about Ayushmann is that he gets into a low mood and doesn't tell me what the problem is.
And one thing that annoys me about Sonam is that she dresses up so well. Okay, Gaurav Revalkar says Ranbir, Imran or Ayushmann.
Who?
Gaurav Revalkar.
Ayushmann. Next.
Ranbir. Thanks. Nikhil Nanda, will you guys be on Karan Johar's couch anytime soon?
That sounds so wrong.
Yeah.
I
यार सोनम तो वहाँ जा चुकी कॉफी विद करण पे
But
कॉफी
that's-
पी रही मैं कभी नहीं गया हूँ
I went with dad.
My dad is in Chandigarh so I couldn't go.
Yeah.
Devang Parmar, how much foodie you people are. We live to eat.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I have this thing that मुझे लगता है कि आयुष्मान जब breakfast खाता तो वो अपने lunch के बारे में सोचता है, जब lunch खाता है तो dinner के बारे में
Listen,
सोचता
I'm a
है.
part-time actor and full-time eater.
Yeah, that's true. So now, what's the thing about Ayushmann, the actor, that you love the most? That he's very natural and there's no effort.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Tarika Gyawali, Sonam, what is your favorite healthy food?
Quinoa. And right now it's Ayushmann's as well.
इसके घर में इतना अच्छा किनोआ बनता
ये
है
सारी
ना
मेरी recipes है, समझे?
That's amazing.
हाँ.
Staple food बन सकता है मेरा किनोआ.
Quinoa.
किनोआ.
Quinoa. It sounds like my
Quinoa.
Punjabi dish है. Quinoa खा ले.
कितना है तू किनोआ? Khadija Sela, favorite Hindi film of all time. DDLJ. Lot of films हैं actually. बहुत सारी. जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Me too. पहला नशा. पहला.
It
Mala
just
again.
sound like Udit.
Yeah.
Manish Madagowani. Hi Sonam and Ayushmann. How different is this movie from other Bollywood movies? This is a typical Bollywood film and you love it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's based on recession, rom-com है. अब वो देख के बहुत मजा आएगा. आप स्माइल लेके घर वापस जाओगे. फिर स्माइल आपकी निकलेगी नहीं. होली के टाइम पे देख लो यार मूवी. It's a very nice film.
Thank you guys. Please go watch Bevakoofiyan on the 14th of March. It's releasing. It's a solo release. It's also a film that's less than 2 hours and it's an amazing romantic comedy.
And the music is amazing and it's a very different rom-com. It's real. You can completely relate to it, especially if you're earning less than your girlfriend, especially if you're
Jobless.
jobless and if your girlfriend's dad doesn't like you. That's the situation most of the time. Best of luck.
Thank you. And if you want to see Ayushmann's dimples. Bye.
I'm smiling the second half maybe.
बेमतलब बेतुकी सी बेकार से दुख धूस